What's going on, guys? It's your boy Brandon back again for another video. I haven't uploaded in quite a while, and I kind of wanted to start putting a bunch of videos together so I could release them all at the same time. So with that being said, today's Thursday night. Usually that's kind of like our date night where we sit on a couch and watch Arrow on Netflix. But Ryan had told me that they do this cruise-in, squeeze-in meet thing up in Roseville, so the Jetta's decently clean, and we're gonna go check it out. So I thought I'd bring you guys along, show you kind of a little different of the car scene in Sacramento. It's not going to be the little kids doing donuts. Should be some pretty nice cars, and I'm excited, so let's go. Alright guys, so we made it. Ryan and me and Kelly, and that's it, because everyone else sucks. No, Tyson's on his way, since he works out here, and then I don't know if my brother will make it or not. But I thought I would show you guys this fucking badass Celica. It's like the dream car right here. So it's a 72, but they obviously built 2J, big turbo. Freaking ridiculous. Right hand drive. Thing is freaking sick. I don't know if you guys really got to see too much of Ryan's ST before, but this is Ryan's ST. It's Cobb tuned on a special blend. Basically stage 2. Front mount, super functional. Daily driver. This thing is fucking sick. If I was to buy another hatch, this is what it would be. And then we got the Jetta turd. This fucking Datsun, dude. This thing is super sick. And it's show and go too. It actually tracks it. Not just show. Yeah, I've seen this car a couple times. Super clean. GoPro mount. God, I need a fast car again. Really?
And then there's the Nissan Ultimate.
Da da da. Ryan's personal favorite. All the stuff that we can't afford until we are retired and have no mortgage and no rent. Look at this thing. Not a 402, a 502. This is wicked too. Holy shit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right now.
You don't want to see me on that forklift. Dude, like, even look at the detail. Like, even like the hood pins.
Yeah. Everything's chrome, polished.
That's sweet. Sorry for being super glary, guys. I'm actually using my cell phone today and not my camera, but you're gonna have to bear with me.
Yep.
Let's see if we can go find a two-tone Tyson. Big ass dork looking guy.
Probably got a one shooter shorts and a white tank top.
He's wearing FedEx clothes, probably.
Tank top and shorts. Look at this shit.
Damn, what the hell is that?
No,
I'm not one to hate builds, but.
Chip fuse wheels. Oh, it's right there. How did he get over there so fast when I just saw him drive in?
Dun, dun, dun.
What the fuck?
He just went this way. He should do that.
He got best paint here.
I know,
Easy.
maybe it's a double wheel Tyson. That's the same color wheel. It's gotta be Tyson.
Let's go in the back.
He teleported. So like, how the
Look. So good. This is Kelly's favorite right here. This is her dream car. I told her to get a Civic. She said no, she wants a Firebird.
Oh, we have a Civic?
Yeah, it's clean. Is this the same one that was, everything is gorgeous. This thing is gorgeous. Look at the flat firewall.
Didn't know Vin Diesel was showing up. Just kidding.
You're retarded. I'm like, what? Super clean. About to go chase Marty McFly.
I do. Well, I mean, you're sort of Tyson's pretty cool.
It's a 4-inch lift and it has 14 gears on it already.
Why Why would you gear it?
You can get a 2-inch body spacers on it and probably make it a 6-inch lift. I don't know too much about Jeeps, but we can figure it out.
I mean, I guess you can have a look at it. He's gonna want to look at that first, right?
Yeah. I asked him if he read the whole ad. Trade for a Jeep.
A Jeep?
An old Cherokee lifted.
Extra.
410. Ow!
What's up, Cherokee?
How are you doing?
What day late, dollar short. You matched though.
His face is like, do I like it?
The shoes?
Yes,
Like,
yes, I do.
It's actually a while ago. Said I asked you.
Oh,
Never heard back from you.
Now you can
Sorry.
tell him anywhere.
I know. So I'm walking up, I'm like,
I see it on Antelope Road all the time. Damn, your feet are gorgeous. Yeah, got them sexy feet.
Damn, look at
Okay, so now we've eaten our foods and we're waiting for more stuff like that to happen.
who needs a fucking driver's side headlight? You need headlights, fenders, or bumpers.
Nah, I don't need it. It's daylight, bro.
You got 4 wheels, you good?
So we're gonna sit and wait as people leave and kind of do like a little rollout, hoping somebody does something stupid.
Fall out in traffic.
Or Ryan can die today. This video gets 100 likes, Ryan will jump out in the traffic. You got. Bye, baby.
It sound automatic.
It is.
It's automatic?
It's a race car. Stick is fun. Automatic wins races.
Which car was left?
Wait for it. Wait for it. Oh shit.
Lexi was
Yeah,
the
squad.
Integra, I think. Oh, look, there it is.
Dang, Ryan.
Is it Ryan, that you?
That's not
Ryan.
us.
That's
the one.
Ryan, is that you with the raise?
$40,000 on the boat head gasket.
True that.
Look at it, he's thinking you're. Are you 12?
You're a
You're so annoying.
Black Shadow, Black Shadow. Me. Ooh.
Rock at you.
That's me next year, bitches. Get it, get it. Yeah.
Get me up. Whatever. Right now.
If you need your dog food delivered, that's your guy. You might have. That's one old guy who don't fuck around. Bless you. Alright, time for the puppy update. Raya dog, Titan dog, what you doing? How you gonna eat if you're inside? So, I hope you guys remember Raya dog. Here she is, psycho as crap. And Titan, they're getting along just fine. They're getting along just fine. Ow, ow, ow. Dun, 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 dun. You guys happy to see me? You guys happy to see me? Dun, 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 dun. She's hungry. He's hungry. You guys hungry? You Titan, you hungry? Are you hungry? Do you want to eat dinners? Do you want to eat dinners, Titan? Do you want to eat dinners? So I know that video was kind of short. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It's a little bit different kind of scene of cars than what you guys are probably used to from watching on my channel and what I'm used to too. I really have a soft spot for old American muscle cars, especially like a 64 Impala has always been a dream car of mine. That or like a Mercury Comet. I've always loved the big boat cars on hydraulics, you know, Dayton's, the whole thing. I know it's just probably wouldn't expect that coming from me, but it is a dream car of mine, and I hope to own an Impala at some point in my life. Even a Galaxy would be pretty badass. But anyways, so with that being said, I'm tossing up the idea of buying another car for me, another rear-wheel drive drift project. I've been really looking at 350Zs and would like to kind of get a 350Z that could be like a daily, you know, and just do like mild angle on it, coils, welded diff, and you know, a seat and a steering wheel, and basically call it good. Just a really simple car that I can still go meet up with Aaron and Michael and start doing some drift stuff next year. But I can also have a nice, decent, reliable car that I can drive to and from work when I need to. And I really want to dive into the Jetta and start cleaning things up, painting the bay, shaving up some stuff, deleting it, and kind of making it more of a weekend cruiser slash clean car, maybe do nitrous. But I've also thought of the idea of turbocharging the car, which is a lot of money, which would basically not allow me to get the 350Z anytime soon. So let me know what you guys would like to see. If you'd want me to go to kind of like an extensive build on the Jetta and do like the VRT thing and pull the motor apart, or if you'd want to see me get back into something rear-wheel drive and do like the 350Z thing, or if you have any ideas. I've also contemplating the idea of like an E36, you know, something like that. I really love the S chassis. I really miss my 240, to be completely honest, but only for like the personality thing. I love the fact that, you know, you look at a bunch of S chassis and they're all completely different, and with the 350Z and E36 you don't really get to see that. A lot of them are similar. There's not as much aftermarket as far as aero and stuff goes like that. So anyways, that's that. Enjoyed it. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and I'll catch you on the next one. Until next time.
Boy click, iced out teeth on the iced out whip with the limousine tints. You can suck my dick. Press switch up when you in the Benz truck. Always want fuck, tell the bitch good luck. Always want fuck, cause it just came up. Drugs in my nose, good drugs in my cup.